She passed away peacefully and was surrounded by those who loved her the most. Ito ang pagbabahagi ng mga anak ni Nora Honor sa pagpanaw ng tinaguriang superstar ng pelikulang Pilipino. Magkakasamang humarap sa media ang magkakapatid sa pangunguna ni Ian De Leon. Sa unang araw ng burol ng aktres, idinetalye rin ni Ian ang schedule ng public viewing sa The Heritage Park at State Funeral para sa national artist sa libingan ng mga bayani.
May planong pumunta dito at hindi makapunta, basta alam po namin nandyan po kayo, sumusuporta, nagmamahal sa aming ina. May gusto lang po akong basahin sa inyo. Pwede akong yes, eto galing po sa aming puso. I-generalize ko na lang po for social media purposes and para po sa ating lahat. It is with deep sorrow that we confirm the passing of our beloved mother, Nora Honor, national artist and the greatest actress in the history of Philippine cinema. She passed away peacefully last night, April 16, and surrounded by those who love her the most. From a very young age, our mom captivated hearts with her talent, grace, and unmatched voice. Over the decades, she built a career that shaped the very soul of our culture. Through song, through screen, and through every role she brought life with brilliance. Her contributions to the arts are immeasurable, and her legacy will live on in every performance, every melody, and every person she inspired. We are profoundly grateful to everyone who has reached out with love, prayers, and condolences. Your messages are a powerful testament to how deeply she was cherished. Not just by us, but an entire nation. Thank you for honoring her life, her work, and the lasting mark she leaves behind. With love and heartfelt thanks from us, her children, her family, her friends. And gusto ko lang po i-share, Kuya Lar, sa lahat ng nanonood, yung mga naiwan niyang alaala sa amin, mga aral, and hindi mamamatay yun. Habang buhay namin dadalhin yun, yung mga aral na binigay niyo sa amin, nakakarating sa mga anak namin, sa mga apo namin. Ang mga aral na yun ay walang iba kundi maniwala sa Panginoon, kumapit lang sa Kanya kahit anumang pagsubok dumating sa buhay. Kailangan lang natin maging matatag para sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Sa pamilya namin. Ang mami namin, grabe magmahal yan eh. Alam natin yan. Grabe siya magbigay. Unahin niya mga ibang tao bago ang sarili niya. Hinayaan niyang maging inspirasyon sa karamihan yung ginagawa niyang pagkakanta, paggagawa ng pelikula. Ginusto niya yung gawin dahil gusto niya iparating sa mga tao na ang tao rin ang nagbibigay ng lakas sa kanya, na ang tao rin ang nagbibigay ng pagmamahal sa kanya. Kaya siya naging superstar. Kaya siya naging national artist. Dahil yun sa pagmamahal. Dahil yun sa binigay na biyaya ng Panginoon, paniniwala kay Jesu Cristo. Marami kaming pinagdaanan, ngunit naging matatag kami dahil nakita namin naging matatag siya. Hindi lang para sa sarili niya, kundi para sa amin. Kaya sa mga nagmamahal sa Kanya, sumusuporto sa Kanya, nagmamalasakit at nakakaintindi sa amin, maraming salamat po mula sa puso ko at sa mga kapatid ko, mga pamilya ko, asawa ko, mga anak ko, mga kaibigan naming totoo. Nakita namin yung buhay niya. Nakita natin lahat kung paano siya namuhay sa harapan ng masa, ng media, ng entertainment industry. Nakita rin namin siya kung paano siya namuhay sa amin, sa pamilya niya, sa personal. Marami kami natutunan. Kaya kami napaka-swerte namin, napaka-bless namin dahil nagkaroon kami ng isang Nora Cabaltera bilang mayor, bilang ina. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Anong masasabi niyo sa maagang pagdating ng mga nagmamahal sa inyong anak, like si Ate B, si Senator Robin?
Dumating sila dahil siyempre naging parte rin po sila ng mga buhay namin, naging parte rin sila ng buhay ng aming ina, and napaka-grateful po namin, Kuya, dahil sa halip ng mga busy nilang schedule, mas pinili po nilang makasama po kami, makiramay sa aming ina. Maraming salamat, Kuya Binoy, Tita V, and sa mga may plano pang pumunta. Actually, this is the first day only, and if you don't mind, I'll be reading the schedules so that everyone may know what's about to come up. So yeah, today, April 17, is going to be the family gathering, the private gathering of the family and friends of my mom, of our mom. Yeah, it's going to be from 7 p.m. to 12 midnight. Yeah, mass at 8 p.m. Tomorrow, April 18, Friday, it's also going to be another family and friends gathering. Yeah, also from 1 p.m. to 12 midnight, and we'll be having mass at 7 p.m. April 19 and 20, this coming Saturday, public viewing from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and family and friends at 7 p.m. and we're gonna be also having another mass. This coming Monday, it's also gonna be a family and friends evening from 1 p.m. to 12 midnight and 7 p.m. for our mass. And then on April 22, Tuesday, it's gonna be the last day, and our last day to be with our mom here on earth before she goes up and joins our Creator. It's gonna be held on Tuesday. We're gonna be having a state funeral and another mass, but we'll be updating you with the details and the schedule for that.
Lilinawin lang natin that he did not die while being operated.
She did not. She was being operated on, and after that, she had a hard time breathing, and eventually all things went downhill from there. That's why they had to do another procedure after that.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Ba?